Good morning student. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today we will start our revision of chapter 1, that is large numbers. So here subtopics are Indian and international system of numeration and place value and face value. We will revise about Indian and international system of numeration and we will revise place value and face value. Okay. So first of all, what is the Indian system of numeration? The system of what is numeration? System of numeration, by which we write the numbers. The method of writing the numbers, that is called numeration. Okay. So Indian system of numeration means which system we use in India. The system of writing numbers which we use in India, that is called Indian system of numeration. And which system of numeration means writing numbers used in all world, that is called international system. जो इंडिया में भी यूज होता है और इंडिया के बाहर अदर कंट्री में जब आप जाते हैं तो बाहर भी जब जो सिस्टम हम यूज करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. इंडियन सिस्टम फॉलो ओनली इन इंडिया बट इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम फॉलो इन होल वर्ल्ड. ओके. सो first of all, Indian system of numeration. So how we write in Indian system? In Indian system we have many periods. So first period we have ones. Okay. First period we have ones. Then we have thousand. Okay. And after that we have lakhs. And then we have crore. In Indian system, first of all we have ones, then we have thousands, then lakhs, then crores. Okay. So these are the periods. These are called periods. And in these periods, we have, in ones period we have three places. Okay. Ones, tens, and hundred. Okay. After ones period, in each period we have two places. Okay. In thousand we have two places, 1000 and 10,000. In lakhs also two places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And in crore also two places, crore and 10 crore. This is the Indian system of numeration. नंबर्स को राइट करने का इंडियन सिस्टम में ये मेथड है आपके पास. इन वंस पीरियड वी हैव थ्री कॉलम्स. ओके. थ्री प्लेसेस वी कैन से कॉलम्स, प्लेसेस, द मीनिंग इज सेम. सो इन वंस वी हैव थ्री कॉलम्स, थ्री प्लेसेस. इन थाउजेंड वी हैव टू, इन लैक्स आल्सो टू, इन करोड़ आल्सो टू. ओके. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सिस्टम वी रीड द नंबर. सो दिस इज द सिस्टम ऑफ reading and writing the numbers. Okay. This is Indian system. How we write? Suppose we have a number 4 2 1 5 7 0 9 2. So how we will read it? 2 crore 90 lakhs 75,000 75,124. Okay. So like this we will read. So this is the system of numeration according to India, that we follow only in India. And according to their period we put commas. Then first is ones period. In ones period we have three columns, ones, tens, hundred. After that we put a comma. Why we put comma? To separate the periods. पीरियड्स को हम अलग करने के लिए कॉमाज लगाते हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव 1000, 10,000, देन अगेन वी पुट कॉमा. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव लैक्स, 10 lakhs, कॉमा. एंड दिस इज करोड़. सो टू सेपरेट द पीरियड्स वी पुट कॉमास. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू इंडियन सिस्टम वी हैव ओनली इन वंस पीरियड 3 digit. Okay, 3 places. And after that each period has two places. Okay. But what happened in international system? In international system we have ones period same, ones. Then after that we have 1000, 1000 is also same. And after 1000 we have million. Okay, in international we don't have lakhs, crore, these we don't have. Okay, after 1000 we have million, and after million we have billion. Okay, after million what we have? Billion. But billion is not in your syllabus, you have till only million. Okay, so now what's the difference between Indian and international? In Indian what we have, only in one period we have 3 places, and after that in each we have 2 places. But according to international, ones, thousand, million, all the periods have 3 digits. Okay, 3 places. So now ones, the same column should be there, same places, ones, tens, hundred. Okay, then in thousand, 10,000. So that means till 10,000 there is no difference between Indian and international system. Suppose we have 5-digit number, any 14,285. So this is according to Indian system also same, and according to international also same. We should read same according to the both system. This is 14,285. That means still 5 digits there is no difference between Indian and international system. The reading way, writing way is same. But after that our difference start. According to international system, after 10,000 we have 100,000. Means at the place of lakhs we have in international system 100,000. That means 1 lakh equals to 100,000. Okay? In Indian system we have 1 lakh, and according to international system we have 100,000. That means 1 lakh equals to 100,000. Okay? After that our million start. We have million, then we have 10 million, then we have 100 million. Because in international system each period has 3 places. So at the place of 10 lakhs in international we have million. That means 10 lakhs equals to 1 million. Okay. Then after that we have crore. So at the place of crore what we have? 10 million. So 1 crore equals to 10 million. Okay. And then we have 10 crore. So at the place of 10 crore we have 100 million. That means 10 crore equals to 100 million. That's okay. Is that clear? So at the place of lakhs we have 100,000 in international. At the place of 10 lakhs we have million. At the place of crore we have 10 million. And at the place of 10 crore we have 100 million. Because in international system each period have 3 places. Okay. So according to that we read the number and write the number. Suppose we have same number. Okay. Same number we have here 2 crore. So at the place of crore where we write it? In 10 million. Okay. 2, then 10 lakhs digit will come in the million, then 0, then 7, 5, 1, 2, 4. So what we read it? We read it like this: 29,75,124. Okay. Okay. 29,75,124. How we put comma? After 3 digit, here we will take a comma. Now 1000 period we will make separate. So 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Again we put a comma, then million, 10 million. So 29,75,124. So like this we have to read and write, and like this we put the commas. Okay. So I hope you get the difference between Indian and international system. Okay. Now I am taking some more examples. So have you understand their relationship also? Ones will be same, tens will be same, hundreds will be same, thousand also same, 10,000 also same. Difference start from where? From lakhs. 1 lakhs equals to 100,000. ओके, यहाँ से आपका जो डिफरेंस है वो लैक्स से स्टार्ट होता है. 1 lakhs दैट्स इक्वल्स टू 100,000. देन 10 lakhs इक्वल्स टू 1 million. ओके, 10 lakhs equals to 1 million. Then 1 crore equals to 10 million. And 10 crore equals to 100 million. So our difference start from here. Suppose you have, I take randomly any number I am writing here. So now we will separate it according to Indian and international system. Firstly we put it commas according to Indian system. So this is how many digit I take here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So one more we take 2 for it. Now there is 9 digit. So how we will do according to Indian system? How we will put commas? According to Indian system we put here comma. Same number we should write here 4, 8, 1, 0, 4, 3. Again 4, 3, 2. Okay. Now we start from here. Firstly we have ones. So ones period, ones, tens, 100. We put here comma. Then 1,000, 10,000, comma. Lakhs, 10 lakhs, comma. Crore, 10 crore. Now how we will rate it? 48 crore, 10 lakhs, 43,432. Okay. So like this we should write in the words. So this is called numeration. Writing, reading, okay, writing in words, writing in figure, reading. This is called numeration. Okay, जो system है इसको write करने का, that is called numeration. Okay, according to international system, how we will separate it? Same number we write 4, 8, 1, 0, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2. Now we put comma according to international system. So according to international system, after every 3 digit, we start from ones side. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then 100,000. Because in international system, each period have 3 digits. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. How we will read it? 481. अब आपको ये थोड़ा सा अजीब लगेगा बिकॉज दिस इज 3 digit नंबर. आपको हैबिट किसकी? अपने इंडियन वाले सिस्टम की. आपको इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम की हैबिट नहीं है क्योंकि हमारा जो पूरा मैथ्स है और डेली लाइफ में भी हम इंडियन सिस्टम को ही यूज करते हैं. और मैथ्स में हम हर चैप्टर में जो नंबर्स रीड करते हैं वो इंडियन सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग रीड करते हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई हमें हमारी जो टंग है उसके ऊपर हमारा इंडियन सिस्टम ही है. इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम हम रीड राइट कम करते हैं, ओनली फर्स्ट चैप्टर में आपको लर्न करते हो आप, उसके बाद हम यूज करते नहीं है इतना. सो दैट्स वाई वी फील हियर हेजिटेशन दैट इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग. ओके, बट इट इज राइट. इट इज 481 million. Then there is not in 100, there is 100 is 0. So 43 what? 1000. Okay. Then 432. So here we will speak the number in 3 digit and after that their period we have to speak. Whatever number after that their period. Here 48 crore. Crore period is there. This is one's period. Then 1,000. Then lakhs. Then crore. 48 crore. 10 lakhs. 43,432. Here ones, 1,000, million. 481 million, 43,432. ओके, वंस वी डोंट स्पीक. जो वंस होता है उसको हम उसके बाद राइट नहीं करते कॉलम को, अदर कॉलम्स को हम राइट करते हैं. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू राइट इन वर्ड्स, हाउ टू पुट कॉमर्स एंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंडियन एंड इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम. Now we will learn what is place value and face value. So place value. Place, as you know, according to the place, by the name we can tell there what is place value. What is the value according to the place of the digit. Okay, digit का जो place होता है उस place पे उस digit की क्या value है, that is called place value. And face value, like our face, जैसे मेरा फेस आपका फेस है, फेस नेवर चेंज, ओके। फेस आपका जैसा है वैसा ही रहेगा, ये थोड़ी है कि आप अपने किसी और का फेस अपने फेस पे लगा लोगे, ओके। सो फेस वैल्यू मीन्स whatever face of the digit, suppose 5 is there, so face value will be 5. If 7 is there, then face value will be 7. Whatever face of the digit, that will be the face value. But place value according to the place, whatever place occupy in the place value chart. जो भी digit का जो place value chart में जो place मिला हुआ होगा, that will be the place value of the digit. Suppose you have 75,284. Okay, so what will be the place value of 4? The place value of 4 is 4, okay, because it is on ones place. This is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, and this is 10,000, okay. So whatever place you have on place value chart, digit का जो भी place value chart में जहाँ पे भी place होगा, that will be the place value of the digit. Now 8 is on the tens place, so the place value will be 8 tens. 8 tens means you can write like this also. 8 tens means that is 80, because ones column is 0, okay. Now 2 is at 100 place, so what is the place value of this 2? 200, okay. We can write in words also and in figure also, 200. So we write like this, 200, okay. This is the place value of 2, because 2 is at the 100 place. So whatever place is there, according to place, the place value change. Suppose same digit, suppose there is 8, okay. For example, I am taking here 8. Now 8 is there also, 8 is there also, but this 8 is at 10,000 place, so its place value will be 8 10,000, and this is on tens place, so its place value will be tens. तो ये नहीं कि दोनों देखने में 8 8 है तो 80 हो गई, no, according to their place we have their place value, but face value according to their face, okay. Suppose 5 is at 1000 place, so 5,000 we can write in words also, we can write in figure also, both are correct. हम कैसे भी write कर सकते हैं, in words also, in figure also. Then we have 8 10,000. So 8 10,000, how we write? 8 10,000 means 80,000. Okay. So like this we have to find place value. And if we want to find their face value, so face value of 4 4, face value of 8 8, face value of 2 2, face value of 5 5, face value of 8 8. Okay. अब यहाँ पे देखो ये 8 टेंस पे है और ये 8 आपका 10,000 पे, बट फेस वैल्यू में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. 8 चाहे किसी भी प्लेस पे हो, द फेस वैल्यू विल रिमेन सेम, फेस इसका वही रहेगा, ओके. ओनली प्लेस वैल्यू विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू प्लेस एंड फेस वैल्यू रिमेन सेम, ओके, बिकॉज प्लेस वैल्यू डिपेंड्स ऑन द प्लेसेस एंड फेस वैल्यू ओनली ऑन द फेस, ओके. Now how we will do sum and difference of place values. अगर आपको place value का sum बोल दिया जाए या difference बोल दिया जाए या place value and face value का sum आ जाए आपके पास, so how you will solve? Suppose you have 71,25,185. Okay, we put comma. 71 less 25,185. I made here underline 8 and 7, and I give you question that find the sum of place values. So how you will find? Firstly you will find place value of 7 and place value of 8. Okay, so place value of 7, प्लेस जो बिग प्लेस है उसके आप अप साइड में राइट कर लिया करो, पहले फाइंड किया करो, और जो स्मॉल प्लेस है उसकी डाउन साइड में. सो प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 7. नाउ वेयर इज 7? 7 इज एट 10 lakhs. So 7 place value will be 70 lakhs. Okay. Now place value of 8. Place value of 8. 8 is at 10th place, so that will be 80. Now we can find their sum. So for sum, we will do addition. Okay. So we will add them. 0, there is 8, the rest will remain same. So that's become 70 lakhs 80. What is the sum? 70 lakhs 80. And if there is difference, so how you will find difference? The process will same. Place value of 7, place value of 8. जिसको भी अंडरलाइन कर रखा है उसकी आपको प्लेस वैल्यू निकालनी पहले. अंडरलाइन है या कलर्ड है. ओके. सो फर्स्टली यू फाइंड देयर प्लेस वैल्यू. अगर फेस वैल्यू का 1 की प्लेस वैल्यू 1 की फेस वैल्यू तो आपको फेस वैल्यू निकालनी उसी के अकॉर्डिंग. ओके. Now if there is given difference, so for difference we will do minus. Okay. Same question is there. So how we will find difference? So we write here difference. For difference what will we do? We will do minus. Okay. Now how will minus? 1 0 minus 0 0. Now we can't subtract 8 from 0. So for that we will take borrowing. Next all are 0, so we take from here. There is 6. Now 10. Then 9, 10, 9, okay, then again 10, then 9, 10, 9, and there will be 10. Now 10 minus 8, 2. There is 9, 9, 9, 9, and there is 6. 69 lakhs 99,920. That's your difference. So like this you have to find sum and difference. Okay. So I hope you understand these topics. According to that you have to solve the question. Thank you.